Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So, Anna's here, that's why you saw this. Hi! Hey, stop, I want to get into this video. She's always doing this, I swear. But I got a new phone. It's not your fancy iPhones and all that. Because I don't have that kind of money.
Poor Hara.
Because I'm poor Hara. If you don't live in New Zealand, that means poor. But I got the Oppo A60. And I won't tell you the colour yet until...
It is.
But let's get into it because I'm very excited. We're doing it on my bed because...
She wants to get over and done with.
Well, because my bed's comfy. It's just, I don't like how they put this sealed stuff on it. It's fine, it's just a box.
Why are you putting it towards you?
What?
You're trying to open the box.
Should I do it like this? Can't wait to see the colour.
I think it like opens.
Oh.
I want to make it opens like that.
I'm thirsty.
Why did I think it was going to open like that instead of like that?
Not open like this. What's she playing
Probably someone.
Ow.
Box opening. Da, 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 da.
Pretty! Whoa.
I haven't even seen the damn thing yet and you're already calling it pretty.
It is. Holy shoot, it's big.
Like, compare it to your other phone.
I don't know.
Oh my gosh, can I see the cameras on the back? Oh my gosh,
It's big.
That's an interesting looking camera. Show them the cameras on the back.
So this is the phone.
I thought this was the screen protector. I thought this was the... I thought this was the...
That's the phone.
I thought this was the case for a second.
It's so pretty. If you don't understand what the colour is, it's in midnight purple.
I thought
very
guys, I
pretty.
thought this was like the phone case when it's not. Like that's so funny.
Do this stuff
Yeah,
first.
you gotta do it. No,
That's
no,
not
you
taking
gotta
it
do
off anyway. So instruction stuff. Where is the
Safety
case? The
guide.
I thought it came with the case. There's no case.
It probably is down the
It's
bottom.
not.
Brittany, this comes out.
Yes, hold on.
It's maybe down the bottom.
It's just cardboard. Oh, we've got
And
the
no
little
top and no
pokey
top
thing.
up either.
No, it's because I asked where it was out. This is a safety guide.
I know, right?
There's no case, Mum.
Or screen protector.
There's no
Or
case.
screen
It
protector.
never comes with screen protectors.
It's a
There's
cool
no
little,
case.
It's a cool little. Like little
Yeah, it's
pin
glued
thing.
on. So you can get it off. It's just cardboard. It's fine, I'll have to get me one sooner rather than later. So, this is the charger. Look how freaking big that power bank is. Horrible.
What power bank?
You know what I mean? That the charger head is. Look how big it is. It's huge. So let's open this.
Oh. She's playing in the bag.
Of course she is with all the receipts. She's so cute. She's like, no.
Hey.
Actually, we're just going to use this part for now and plug it into here because this one has a tooth.
Yeah, and you'll need to tear everything up.
She's a kitten. What do you expect?
Everything up. You're a rat bag.
And yes, I am trying to film here.
Cuddles.
Let's plug it in.
I need freaking cuddles.
Oh, it vibrated. Oh, it's turning on. Look at it. It's turning on.
Oppo.
This is a pretty boring box opening.
What's the back on it? I just wanted to see what it had on the back. Oh, it's still got a sticker on the back. I thought it was like purple all the way around, but it kind of looks like
It's midnight purple. Look how pretty. It didn't come with a case though.
Oh,
Hey, there's no case for it.
this is not the right view.
And no top up. I guess that's because I asked for
Not purple.
Yes, it is. That's purple. That's purple.
It's black to me.
That's purple.
It's like a very like
It's a very
purple.
dark purple. That's why it's called midnight purple. Okay, so we go hello. English,
It
obviously.
should come with a top up.
No, because remember I wanted to keep my number. And it looks really.
That's silly. You could have gone for
It's fine. So we'll select New Zealand. Yeah, let me flip it. Yes, I'm just trying to aim it so you can see what I'm doing. Okay. And it says legal information.
And then I want it all
Next.
set up and you can click this in it.
Yeah, connect to mobile. Oh, I need the Wi-Fi password. Oh no, I know how to get it. So I have to connect to Wi-Fi. So I'll be back once I've connected to the Wi-Fi. Okay, now I did the Wi-Fi, and now this is what's happening. So it says copy apps and data. Can you just transfer apps? I haven't actually done this before, but I think I might do it. But I obviously can't show me doing that because I need this phone to do it. So I'll be back when that's sorted. I just decided to do it the way I usually do it. This one here is very curious. So it's saying checking info. And it does come with a screen protector. Cause I don't know if you can see it, but it's on there. Like you can see it on the camera. So I need to add in my Google information. Okay, so that's on now. Luna, accept. Turn back up. Confirm. We'll do face. Next. Okay, so going back to this angle. So it says select. What's it? Password. Pattern. We'll do pattern. Okay, so we'll do the one I remember, which is this one. Do it again. Okay, now do my face. Oh wow, camera quality. Continue. Oh, it's just chicken. Oh, it's done that. I agree. Just a sec. No thanks.
Hold her for a minute so I don't have to chase her
You
around.
can do Hey Google, unless I'm trying to do
Just hold
something.
it just for a second while I put this around my waist. I don't want to have to chase her around the fucking room. Because she's hyper. Thank you.
Just a sec. I agree. Anything else? No. Getting your phone ready. Sorry about the quality, it is 8 o'clock. Not yet, we'll do that all later. Next. And swerve. Continue. It takes so much just to set up a phone. The thing I don't get is I watched a lot of box openings, right? And they all came with cases. But this one doesn't have the case. It was just a clear case. But it doesn't have one. Like, look. This box is completely empty. Like, I don't know why it doesn't come with a case. I'll just have to get one and be careful with this next time. Until I actually get one. We're set up. It's all set up. Now, well, it's like, I mean, I come into the home screen and all that. I still need to add in, like, the time and date and all that. I can do that now. Okay, so where is settings? Settings. I'm so thirsty. I need time and date. Here, we'll go up here. Time. go, date and time. 12 hour. Oh, the time's already on there. And the date. That's handy. So I didn't have to do that. Let's check out the camera. Just take a selfie. Pretty good, that's the selfie I took. It's not a very good selfie, but it's a selfie. Now there are still some accounts I need to log into, like my Instagram and all that, but I'll do that off of camera. But I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. If you did, remember to give this video a like, subscribe, comment, and share. I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Okay, I just wanted to do one more last update. So this is the new phone. Why the lighting is playing up, I don't know. Okay, so this is the phone, the looks like the, hold on. It's like the picture on the screen. It's just butterflies. And then I've put on a, right now it's not working, but I do have like a lock screen. And then I just made all the apps like, she's looking at me like, who are you talking to? Here that I have, and everything is being loaded into my new phone. So that's the new phone. If you do want me to do like a what's on my phone, let me know. It does come with a screen protector, as you can tell, but I love it. I think it's a really cool phone. Yeah, so next time you see a vlog, it will be on this phone. I'm hoping the quality will be better. But yeah.